In the high-stakes world of military aviation, the ability to see without being seen has always been the ultimate goal. For decades, radar has been the primary tool for pilots, painting a picture of the skies by bouncing radio waves off distant objects. But this method comes with a critical flaw. It announces your presence to the enemy. Today, on October 10, 2025, that paradigm is shifting dramatically. A new technology called ViDAR, which stands for Visual Detection and Ranging, is poised to make traditional radar obsolete. Developed by the defense technology company Shield AI, ViDAR is an AI-powered surveillance system that offers a revolutionary way for US fighter jets and drones to observe the battlefield in complete silence and stealth. At its core, ViDAR is a compact, 60-centimeter pod that mounts beneath an aircraft. It does not emit any signals at all. Instead, it operates as a highly advanced set of eyes, using a combination of powerful optical and infrared cameras to constantly scan the environment below. What makes this system truly groundbreaking is the artificial intelligence brain that processes this visual information in real time. This AI is trained to recognize specific threats with incredible accuracy. It can distinguish between different types of vehicles, vessels, and even individual personnel on the ground. This allows an aircraft to build a detailed, live map of its surroundings without ever sending out a detectable electronic pulse, granting it a cloak of invisibility. The difference between ViDAR and conventional radar is as stark as the difference between listening and shouting. Radar actively broadcasts energy, and those emissions can be intercepted by enemy sensors, giving away an aircraft's position, speed, and even its intended direction. This makes pilots vulnerable, especially in contested airspace where adversaries are actively searching for such signals. ViDAR, on the other hand, is entirely passive. It simply watches and analyzes. This fundamental shift means that missions can be conducted with a much lower risk of detection. An aircraft equipped with ViDAR can patrol an area, gather intelligence, and identify targets without ever alerting hostile forces that it is there, making it a true ghost in the machine. The implications for military operations are profound. With ViDAR, pilots and drone operators gain a significant tactical advantage. They can perform persistent surveillance over sensitive areas, monitor enemy movements, and identify threats long before they become a danger, all while remaining virtually undetectable. This enhanced situational awareness not only makes missions safer for military personnel, but also increases their effectiveness. Whether tracking a suspicious vessel in the open ocean or monitoring a camouflaged installation on land, ViDAR provides the clear, silent, and continuous intelligence needed to dominate the modern battlefield. It represents a new era of stealth surveillance, where seeing everything means revealing nothing. The true power of the ViDAR system lies in its sophisticated ability to identify what other systems miss. Traditional radar often struggles to detect objects with a low radar cross-section, such as modern stealth ships or small, fast-moving attack boats. These threats are specifically designed to be invisible to radio waves. However, ViDAR's AI-driven visual analysis operates on a different principle entirely. It doesn't look for a signal reflection, it looks for the object itself. This allows it to excel at spotting threats that radar might overlook. For example, it can easily identify semi-submersible craft used for smuggling, which sit low in the water and are notoriously difficult for radar to pick up against the clutter of the sea surface. This advanced capability extends from the sea to the land. ViDAR is remarkably effective at detecting ground-based targets that would otherwise blend into their surroundings. Its multispectral cameras can see in both the visible and infrared spectrums, allowing it to function seamlessly day and night, and to spot heat signatures that might indicate a hidden vehicle or a group of personnel. The system's AI is trained on vast datasets, enabling it to recognize camouflaged ground installations, vehicles hidden under foliage, and even individual soldiers on foot. This level of granular detail provides commanders with an unprecedented understanding of the operational environment, turning vast, complex landscapes into a readable and actionable intelligence map. One of ViDAR's most crucial advantages is its flexibility. The system is not limited to a single type of aircraft. Its pod-based design allows it to be integrated onto a wide variety of platforms, from advanced fighter jets like the F-35 to helicopters and, perhaps most importantly, unmanned aerial systems or drones. This adaptability means that a diverse fleet of aircraft can be equipped with the same powerful surveillance technology. A network of ViDAR-equipped drones could be deployed to provide continuous, radar-invisible overwatch for ground troops, creating a protective bubble of silent surveillance that alerts them to approaching threats without giving away their own positions. In practice, this technology transforms how missions are executed. Imagine a maritime security operation where a hostile vessel has turned off its automatic identification system to move undetected. A jet or drone with ViDAR can fly over the area, silently scanning the ocean. The AI would instantly flag the suspicious vessel, cross-referencing its visual profile against a database of known threats and alerting the operator. This allows for rapid interception and neutralization, enhancing force protection and ensuring control over critical waterways. ViDAR is more than just a new sensor. It is a force multiplier that provides safer, stealthier, and more effective surveillance across every domain of warfare. The development of ViDAR is part of a larger, more significant story: the changing relationship between the Pentagon and the private technology sector. The company behind this innovation, Shield AI, was founded in 2015 and has quickly become a major player in the world of military artificial intelligence. Unlike the defense contractors of the past, Shield AI operates with the speed and agility of a Silicon Valley startup. This new breed of tech company is driving a wave of innovation that is rapidly transforming national defense. They are not just building hardware. They are developing intelligent systems and autonomous software that give US forces a critical edge on the battlefield. This trend is fueled by a massive influx of private investment. In 2024 alone, venture capital funding for defense technology companies soared to $31 billion, a clear sign that investors see immense potential in this growing market. Companies like Shield AI and its European counterpart, Helsing, are attracting top talent and capital, enabling them to pursue ambitious projects that were once the exclusive domain of government labs. This public-private partnership allows the Department of Defense to leverage cutting-edge commercial technology, accelerating the development and deployment of next-generation capabilities. ViDAR is a prime example of this synergy, showcasing how private sector ingenuity can solve some of the military's most complex challenges. Shield AI's vision extends far beyond a single sensor pod. The company is developing a comprehensive ecosystem of autonomous technologies designed to work together. This includes its advanced HiveMind AI software, which acts as a digital pilot for aircraft, and the VBAT drone, a unique vertical takeoff and landing platform. The goal is to create intelligent, swarming drone formations that can operate autonomously in high-risk environments, executing complex missions without direct human control. This loyal wingman concept, where unmanned aircraft support human-piloted fighters, is rapidly becoming a reality, and AI systems like ViDAR are the essential eyes and ears that make it all possible. The rise of companies like Shield AI marks a pivotal shift in how military technology is created. The slow, bureaucratic processes of traditional defense acquisition are being challenged by a faster, more iterative model of development. This allows the military to adapt more quickly to emerging threats and maintain its technological superiority. The success of ViDAR is not just a win for Shield AI, it is a testament to a new era of defense innovation, where the brightest minds in the private sector are working hand in hand with the armed forces to build the future of national security. This collaboration is ensuring that American and allied warfighters are equipped with the most advanced tools available. The introduction of ViDAR is just one piece of a much larger puzzle involving the integration of artificial intelligence into every facet of military aviation. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It is a present-day reality that is fundamentally reshaping air power. For instance, the Pentagon recently tested an AI air battle manager called StarSage, which provided real-time tactical direction to pilots in F-16s and F-35s during live exercises. This system reduced decision-making times from minutes to seconds, demonstrating how AI can augment human commanders and give pilots a decisive advantage in the chaos of aerial combat. This is the new frontier of warfare, where battles can be won or lost based on the speed of computation. This transformation is also visible in the evolution of the aircraft themselves. The concept of the loyal wingman is a prime example, where unmanned support aircraft fly alongside crewed fighters. These AI-piloted drones can perform a variety of roles, from conducting surveillance and electronic warfare to carrying out precision strikes, all while networking and sharing data with the human pilot. This creates a powerful team, expanding the pilot's capabilities and allowing them to manage a fleet of autonomous assets from the safety of their cockpit. AI is also revolutionizing pilot training, with advanced simulators that create incredibly realistic and adaptive combat scenarios, preparing pilots for challenges they have yet to face. Looking ahead, the role of artificial intelligence is set to become even more central with the development of sixth-generation fighters. These future aircraft are being designed from the ground up with AI at their core. They will feature unprecedented levels of autonomy, capable of making complex tactical decisions and coordinating with swarms of drones without constant human input. This will free up the human pilot to focus on high-level strategy, acting as a mission commander rather than a hands-on operator. The goal is to create a seamless fusion of human intellect and machine intelligence, resulting in an air force that is more lethal, resilient, and effective than ever before. Ultimately, the rise of AI-powered systems like ViDAR marks the beginning of a new chapter in military history. This technological revolution is about more than just building better weapons. It is about creating smarter, safer, and more efficient ways to conduct operations. By leveraging the power of AI, the military can reduce risks to its personnel, gain a clearer understanding of complex environments, and maintain a decisive edge over adversaries. As this transformation continues, the line between pilot and programmer, and between aircraft and autonomous agent, will continue to blur. The future of air power is not just in the skies, but in the intelligent networks and algorithms that connect and command it.